Hey, what's going on, guys? Keith Carpenter. I just wanted to show you something really cool here. So it's going to be a real quick video. The neat thing about PromptROI, it's very responsive. So if you have bad eyes like me, and I'm starting to not be able to see great, you can hit Command or Control plus or minus on your keyboard, and you'll actually be able to zoom in. And what's cool is if you go all the way in like that, it literally just kind of shows up like a phone, right? So if you really have bad eyes and you want to be able to just kind of look at the prompts one at a time, you can do it this way, which is pretty cool. All right, so I just wanted to show you that. You can zoom in as much as you want. You can get that exact look. I mean, if I go way out, obviously that gets ridiculous, but you can really get a nice look and feel using the plus or minus keys on the keyboard. We're set back to 100%, and we have a 5 grid here on my MacBook. All right, have a great day.